Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to learn a beautiful and a traditional design for a bright red color blouse, and the design is very easy for anybody to complete it and economic as well. So let us go how the design is going to be done. And for this saree only we are going to make a beautiful designer blouse, bright red color body with the mustard border, where you have a motif of chakra like thread border with a slight green tint for half inch. These are the materials required to complete this design: jardosi and some stone balls, stone chain, a small beads of course, and green color small round shape kundan stone. And the very important material here is the kasu and some ball chain, tilagam shape of kundan stones. And for marking we have this one, and this is the very different chunky type of material I had in the shop, so immediately I bought it. And these are called chakris. So chakris will add tradition to the design whatever we do, and on the chakri we can fix this diamond stones. They're called as rhinestones, and but they just glitter like a diamond. And first I make the mark and then apply gum on the neckline. You can have a trace for marking the neckline. It's common for all the blouses. Later you can change it to any shape to your desire, but I do today with the round neck itself. So first on the gum I am sticking the stone chain. So better go for better quality chains whatever the materials you use, so that it's long lasting, durable, and it won't be faded or corroded. So it is nicely fixed. And there is a tip for you: whenever you fix some stone chain or ball chain on the gum, please allow the gum for drying. So not completely, just partially. So after 2 minutes of application of the gum, you better go with sticking it so that it won't spoil the cloth, and it can be a very perfect finishing. After that, see what I am doing here is fixing a ball chain as a support, both the sides as a support to the stone chain. Now you have a superb neckline base. From this we are going to extend with kasu and kundan stones. See, exactly 2.5 inches, 2 inches, but kasu is occupying some space, so all together when you apply gum it is 2.5 inches. See, one kasu and other kasu can have 2 inches approximately. Just paste it. Later we can have secure stitches on that once it is dried. After that, see what I am doing: a very simple work which is done with a pencil hook or toothpick or any sharp objects. 2 white color kundan stone and 1 green color kundan stone. In this way you can arrange. Don't use your fingers, then it will be the tedious process. So it is dried. Once it is dried, you can fix the kasu very firmly. Once it is dried, you can have the normal sewing thread and stitch the kasu firmly on the cloth. And along with, I am just finishing the secure stitches on the ball chain and stone chain also. Every 5 stones I am making a tag using the thread. Once it reaches the next kasu, I just go with the tag of kasu also. The kasu is called as a coin. Kasu is the Tamil word which is familiar here. You just ask us coins for traditional ari work, so you will get them in the shop. Then this is the beautiful and easy job which gives us the ori look. Exact 1 inches of jardosis I have, and that jardosi will fit into the kundan stone very nicely. So I am inserting in the end of tip of the kundan stone, again inserting on the same place after inserting jardosi into the needle. You will have a ring like structure. That ring can be fixed perfectly on the kundan stone. Like that, do for all the stones. 2 white stones and 1 green stone we have. See how ring is created. It's a nice activity also. We will forget everything when we do this, because the beauty once we complete it will satisfy us. For that we can sacrifice anything in the world. And it is the blouse which is done with our fingers that gives us much satisfaction and the greatest happiness. So you all please try the same thing for all the other coins and also for the kundan stones. Now to the addition, I have 4 small golden beads. They are called as sugar beads. Stitching near the green stone, and end of that is decorated with the chakri and the rainstone. Fix chakri first. Either you can fix it with gum or you can stitch. After that, fix a rainstone on them with the help of gum. Now we have all the coins which have holes at the top where we have tied them with the thread. That can be covered with the stones I have shown you. It is not the stone actually, it's a stone like chamki only. It's a very beautiful flower. It gives exact coin finishing, and also the double dhamaka is closing all the thread exposures. In the same way I have done for the sleeves also, when ball chain, stone chain and ball chain. The same arrangement what we have done on the neck is repeated here. See, this is the finished look. How nice. See, you can have a frame for this 17-inch or 18-inch frame you can have. So which will be so easy to finish this work. Without frame it will take more time, and this is after stitching. See how beautifully it is arranged and giving a nice look. And a small job is pending. Let us do that also. The stones I said no, which we used to cover the thread parts in the coin, the same material is used to fill the whole body of the blouse, so that it adds grandness to the blouse. The pencil tip is used because it is a science actually. You all know what is static electricity. When we touch the stone with the pencil tip, static electricity make them fix together, and you can fix very well on the gum. When you do this with your finger, it is very difficult and you will find the job is boring. See how easily I am fixing with the pencil tip. Toothpick is better than this. Holding is easy for me with the pencil. That's it. See how the blouse is turned now. The left out portion in the sleeve, no, after that border line, I am making the same thing. So it's like a 3-inch of heavy border for the sleeve. See how nicely a normal plain blouse is turned with our hands as a very 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 grand Ari design, which is the possible mission. See, when you have the matching set, neck set and the earrings, it adds further beauty. Thanks for watching my videos. Please try this design. Bye bye.